So we can start 53rd page. Okay, so till Lutha Visha we have seen. Next we can see the various type of Kitas. Okay, the number of types of Kitas we can see. The first one is Gojara and Medaga. Okay, Gojara va Medaga Bheda, 8 types they have mentioned. Okay, so with what is Gojara? Okay, these are all Hindi words, so I can tell you the Sanskrit one. So Gojara is Shadapadi. Okay, Gojara, its Sanskrit term is Shadapadi. Satapadi. Okay, Gojara, its Sanskrit term is Shadapadi, which means centipede. Okay, centipede. 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 Sorry, Centipede. Centipede. So Gojara is Shadapadi. Okay. Medhaga, that is Manduga. Okay, frog. Manduga is frog. Okay, Shadapadi, Manduga, both are 8 types are there. Okay, Shadapadi, Manduga, both are 8 varieties are there. Next one is Chinti, Makhi, Chipkali. Okay, Chinti is Pippiliga. Chinti is Pippiliga. Makhi is Mashaga. Sorry, Makshiga. Makshiga. Then Chipkali, Galagoliga. Galagoliga. Okay, Pippiliga, Makshiga, then Galagoliga. These are all 6 types are there. Next one is Machar va Goderaga Bheda, 5 types. Okay, Machar is Mashaga. Okay, Machar is Mashaga. Goderaga. Okay, so these 2 or 5 types are there. So types they can ask in the exam. Okay, so Shadapadi, Manduga, 8 types are there. Pippiliga, Makshiga, Galagoliga, 6 types. Then Mashaga, then Goderaga, 5 types. Okay, so these are the various Kita and their types. Next one is Charaga Anusara Doshadikya. Okay, so Vada Pradana Kitas are Uchitinga and Vrishchika Visha. Okay, Uchitinga, Vrishchika Visha both are Vada Pradana. Vada Pitta Pradana is Kita Visha. Kapha Pradana is Kanapha Visha. Okay, so Kanapha Visha is Kapha Pradana, Kita Visha is Vada Pitta, and Uchitinga, Vrishchika, these are all Vada Pradana. Okay, next related with the Shalya. Okay, according to Charaga they are telling Vrana Pragara 2 types. Okay, Vrana Bheda 20 types are there. Vrana Bheda 20 types, it is based on the characteristic features. Okay, based on the characteristic features of the Vrana, 20 types are there. Okay, like Sravi, Asravi, Kritya, Akritya, Dushta, Adushta, like that is based on the characteristic features. According to Charaga, Vrana, 20 types are there. Okay, next one is Dushta Vrana. Because of the Dosha Visheshan, Vrana will become Dushta. So that time, Dushta Vrana Lakshanas are 12 in number. Okay, so Dushta Vrana Lakshanas are 12 in number. Vrana Doshas are 24 in number. Okay, Vrana Gandha, it is 8 in number. Vrana Srava, 14 in number. Vrana Ubadrava, 16 in number. Vrana Ubakrama, the treatment for the Vrana, that is 36 according to Charaga. According to Sushruta, it is 60 treatments are there for the Vrana Chikilsa. Okay, Shashti Ubakrama. So, according to Sushruta, Vrana Ubakrama is 60. According to Charaga, it is 36. Okay, so Vrana Prakara 2, Vrana Bheda, based on the characteristic features of the Vrana, 20 type of Vrana is there. Okay, then Dushta Vrana Lakshanas are 12 in number, Vrana Doshas are 24 in number, Vrana Gandha is 8 in number, Vrana Shrava 14 are there, Vrana Upadrava 16, and the treatment for the Vrana, that is total 36 in number. Okay, so Vrana Gandha is 8 in number, Sarpi, Taila, Vasa, Puya, Shyava, Amla, Rudira, Pudi. Okay, these are the Vrana Gandha. Vrana Srava is 14 in number. Lasiga, Jala, Puya, Rekta, Haridra, Sadrisha, Aruna Varna, Pingala Varna, Kashaya, Neela, Harida, Snigda, Ruksha, Shveda, Krishna. So these are the different type of discharges you will be getting from the Vrana. So 14 type of Vrana Srava and Vrana Gandha is 8 types. Next one is Vrana Upakrama, 36 are there. Okay, which are the treatment? Shodakna, Pathana, Vyadhana, Chedana, Lekhana, Prachana, Sivana, Avapidana, Nirvapana, Sandhana, Sveda, Shamana, Eshana, Shodana Kashaya, Robana Kashaya, Shodana Praleba, Robana Praleba, Shodana Taila, Robana Taila, Shodhana Grida, Robana Grida, Bahya Patrachadana, Abhyandara Patrachadana, Bandhana, Patya Bhojana, Utsadana, Avasadana, Daha, then Kardinyagara Dubana, Kardinyagara Leba, Mardavagara Dubana, Avachurnana, Varnya, Ropana, Lomaharana. So these are the 36 Vrana Upakramas. Okay, according to Sushruta 60, according to Charaga 36. Vrana Upadrava 16 are there. Okay, so Visarpa, Pakshaghada, Sirastamba, Apatanaka, Moha, Unmada, Vrana Vedana, Jwara, Trishna, Hanugraha, Kasa, Chardi, Adisara, Hikka, Shvasa, Vepada. So these are the 16 Vrana Upadrava. Then Vrana Dushta Lakshanas, 12 in number, which are the Vrana Dushta Lakshanas, Shveda, Avasanna Vartma, Adistula Vartma, Adipinchara Vartma, Neela Vartma, Shyava Varna, Adipidaga, Rekta Varna, Krishna Varna, Pudiganda, Raupya, Kumbi Mukha. So these are the Vrana Dushta Lakshana. Then Vrana Doshas are 24 in number. Okay, so which are the Vrana Dosha? Snayu Kleda, Sira Kleda, Gambhira, Krimi Bhakshana, Asti Bheda, Sashalya, Savistva, Sa Vishatva. Okay, Sa Vishatva, Sarpana, Nakakshada, Prabheda, Charma Adhighadana, Loma Adhighadana, Mithya Bandha, Atisneha, Adibhaishajya, Ajirna, Adibhojana, Viruddha Bhojana, Asatmya Bhojana, Shoga, Krodha, Divasopna. You can note down. 22nd is Vyayama. 22nd is Vyayama. 23rd is Maidhuna. 23rd is Maidhuna. And the 24th one is Nishkriyatva. Nishkriyatva. Vyayama, Maidhuna, Nishkriyatva. These are the last three Vrana Doshas. Okay, so these are the, according to Charaga, main important details of the Vrana. Next one is Shukra Dosha. Okay, so Shukra Dosha according to Charaga 8, according to Sushruta 11. Okay, so which are the 8 Shukra Doshas? That is Vada Pitta Kapha, then Rektaja, Grandhi, Pudi Puya, Kshina, Mutra Purisha. Okay, so these are the 8 type of Shukra Dosha: Vada Pitta Kapha, Rektaja, Grandhi, Pudi Puya, Kshina, Mutra Purisha. Okay, so Rektaja, due to Rekta Dosha, if you are getting Shukra Dushti, then it will be having Kunabha Gandhi. Okay, so the Shukra will be having Kunabha Gandhi, dead body smell will be there. Okay, dead body smell will be there in Rektaja Shukra Dushti. In Grandhi, okay, Grandhi means there will be clot formation will be there in the Shukra. Okay, so that clot that is formed due to the Vada Kapha Dosha predominancy. Okay, so in Shukra Dushti, Grandhi Shukra Dushti is there. So that is happened because of the Vada Kapha Dosha. So here you will be getting Grandhi. There will be clot will be there in the Shukra. Pudi Puya, there will be foul smell will be coming from the Shukra. That is Pudi Puya. So the Dosha Visheshan is Pitta Kapha Dosha. Kshina. Kshina means here Shukra very scanty. Okay, little bit only Shukra will be coming. The count will the quantity of shukra is very less. Okay, so that is due to vada pitta dosha. Then mutra purisha, here there will be this mixing up of urine and fecal matter, or there will be smell of the fecal and urine, all the things you can see in the shukra. So that is because of the tridoshaja vitiation. Okay, so these are the 8 types of shukra dushti: vada pitta kapha, rektaja, grandhi, pudi, puya, kshira, mutra purisha. So rekta is getting vitiated. So here the main characteristic feature is kunabha gandhi. Grandhi, vada kapha is getting vitiated. Pudi, puya, pitta kapha, kshina, vada pitta, mutra purisha, sannipadaja condition. So among that 5 are kritra sadhya. Okay, kunabha gandhi, which means that rektaja, then grandhi, pudi, puya, kshina. Okay, these are all kritra sadhya. Asadhya is mutra purisha gandhi, shukra dushti. Okay, mutra purisha gandhi, that one is asadhya, and that vada pitta kapha, that's are all sadhya. Okay, so here number you just no need to study, just understand that kunabha gandhi, grandhi, pudi, puya, kshina, these 4 are kritra sadhya. The last one sannipadaja, mutra purisha gandhi, is asadhya, and the remaining 3 vada pitta kapha, these are all sadhya. Okay, this is the prognosis of the shukra dushti according to Charaka. Then artava dosha, that is also 8 in number. Okay, both Charaka and Sushruta both are telling 8 only. The name also same as shukra dushti only. Okay, vada pitta kapha, kunabha, grandhi, pudi, puya, kshina, mutra purisha. This is same name is for the artava dushti also. Okay, so in here kunabha gandhi, grandhi, pudi, puya, mutra purisha, these are all are asadhya in artava dushti. Okay, artava doshas are 8 in number. Okay, whatever the names for shukra dushti, the same name is for the artava dushti, but in the sadhya sadhyada, okay, kunabha gandhi, and then grandhi, pudi, puya, mutra purisha gandhi, these type of artava dushtis are asadhya. Okay, so this is about the artava dushti. In shukra dushti, kunabha gandhi, grandhi, pudi, puya, these are all kritra sadhya. Mutra purisha gandhi is asadhya, rest of the things are kritra sadhya in shukra dushti, but in artava dushti these are all comes under asadhya category. Okay, next one is maiduna sthiti ke anusar dosha pragopa. So whichever position if you are doing maiduna, accordingly which are the doshas are getting vitiated. Okay, so uttana, okay, in the supine position, if you are doing maiduna, then doshas are will be in the samavastha. Okay, though if it is in the uttana, okay, if the maiduna, if you are doing in the uttana position, then doshas will be in the normalcy. So that time there will be bija grahana, all the things will be happening. Then dakshina, okay, if it is in the dakshina side, if you are doing maiduna, then there will be kapha pragopa will be there. Okay, kapha pragopa will be happening, so it leads to pidhadi garbhashayam. Okay, it will create pidana to garbhashaya. Okay, if you are doing maiduna in the uttana position, the doshas will be in the normal state. So this time bija grahana will be happening, which means there will be bija grahana, and shukra, artava, they will become fuse, embryo will be forming. If the maiduna is doing in the dakshina, okay, dakshina parshva, okay, if you are doing maiduna in the dakshina parshva, kapha pragopa will be happening. It leads to pidhadi garbhashayam. It will create difficulty to the garbhashaya. Okay, then nyubja, in the nyubja position, if you are doing maiduna, it leads to vada kova, and because of that it will create yoni pida. Then next one is vama parshva. If you are doing maiduna in the vama parshva means left side. Okay, left side. So in the vama parshva, if you are doing maiduna, it leads to pitta kova, and because of that what happened? Vidahadi rektam shukram cha. Okay, due to the pitta kova, it will create vidaha in rekta and shukra, which means it will create some vidaha in artava and shukra. Okay, vidahadi rektam shukram cha. This is the effect you will be getting. Okay, so Uttana position, doshas are in normalcy, Bija Grahana will be happening. In Dakshina Parshva, Kapha Prakopa will be happening because of it create Pidana to Garbhashaya. In the Nyubja position, Vada Prakopa is happening, it leads to Yoni Pida. In Vama Parshva, it leads to Pitta Koba, it leads to Vidahadi Rektam Shukram Cha. Okay, this is the effect you will be getting. Next one is Deshemani mein Ekadika bar Prayukta Dravya. Deshemani, like in Charaga Sutra Sthana, 4th chapter is there. Okay, so in the 4th chapter, Shadvirejana Shadasrudiya Madhyaya. Okay, the 4th chapter name is Shadvirejana Shadasrudiya Madhyayam. So in that, Mahakashayas has mentioned. Okay, 10 Mahakashayas are there, no? Like each one group. So Mahakashaya, total 50 Mahakashaya has mentioned in that chapter. Okay, 50 Mahakashaya. In each Kashaya, 10 drugs will be there. So total number of Kashaya is 500. Mahakashaya 50, like Jivaniya, Brahmaniya, Lekhaniya, like that we have studied, no, in the Charaka Samhita. That one around 50 will be coming. Mahakashayas are 50. Okay, and in each Gana 10 drugs are there. So from the each drug we can create Kashaya. So total number of Kashaya 500, Mahakashaya 50. Okay, in that the drug which has dealt more times. Okay, Madhuga. Okay, Madhuga has added in many Kashaya. So around 14 times the Madhuga has repeatedly come in the Mahakashaya group. Okay, here they have written 11, it is not 11, 14 times Madhuga has mentioned in many Ganas. Okay, the drug which has dealt more times in Mahakashaya, that is Madhuga. How many times? 14 times, 1-4. Second one is Pippali, that is 10 times it has come. Okay, here it is written 9, it is not 9, it is 10. Okay, so 10 times Pippali has mentioned in many Kashaya, and Madhuga has mentioned 14 times in many other Mahakashaya. Okay, so in the 4th chapter, Mahakashayas they are mentioning. So total 50 Mahakashayas are there. So total how many Kashaya will be coming? Because in the each Kashaya 10 drugs are there. So total 500 Kashayas you will be getting. In that 500 Kashaya, or the drug, the one drug which has dealt more time, that is Madhuga. 14 times it has included in many Mahakashaya Ganas. Second one is Pippali, 10 times it has mentioned. Okay. Next one is Virejana Ashraya. In which all the parts we can use it for the Virejana. Okay, 6 are there. Moola, Patra, Phala, Pushpa, Twak and Kshira. These are the Virejana Ashraya. Then total Vamana Yogas are 355. Total Virejana Yogas are 245. Okay, how that Virejana Yogas we can see. Vamana Yogas are, first one is Madana Phala. Okay, so Madana Phala 133, Yogas are there. Jimudaga 39, Ikshvagu 45, Damargava 60, Kudaja 18, Kridavedana 60. So total 355 Vamana Yogas are there. Virejana Yogas are also 245 is coming. So first one is Nishota. Nishota means Shyama Trivrit. Shyama Trivrit. Okay, Shyama Trivrit, that is 110. Then Amlatasa. Amlatasa is Chadurangula. Amlatasa is Chadurangula, which means Aragvada. Okay, synonym of Aragvada is Chadurangula. So that is 12, from the Chadurangula, 12 Virejana formulations are there. Then Lodra. Okay, Lodra, synonym is Tilvaga. Okay, Lodra, synonym of Lodra is Tilvaga. 16 formulations are there. Then Snuhi. Okay, Snuhi, synonym is Mahavriksha. Mahavriksha. Synonym of Snuhi is Mahavriksha. So from the Snuhi, how many formulations you can get? 20. Then Saptala, Shangini 39, Dandi, Dravandi 48. So total 245 Virejana Yogas are there. So total Vamana Virejana Yogas are total 600 will be coming. Okay, so total 600. So Vamana yogas are 355 and Virejana yogas are 245. Virejana Ashrayas are 6 in number. Okay, next thing, Vada Kala Kaliya. It is comes under the Charaka Sutra Sthana. So in the Charaka Sutra Sthana, some chapters will be dealing with the seminar will be conducting. Okay, so in Vada Kala Kaliya Adhyaya, in that there will be seminar will be conducting, and in that seminar 8 rishis were participated. Okay, 8 rishi were participated, and each person they were telling about some of the important concept. Okay, so which are the rishi and which are the things they were mentioned in the seminar, you can see here. Kusha, he has mentioned Vada Guna. Okay, so Vada Kaliya Kala Kaliya Adhyaya, in that chapter it is described it as like a seminar was conducting. So each Ajar, each rishi was telling the each concept. So Kusha was telling Vada Guna. Okay, he has explained Vada Guna. Kumara Shira Bharadwaja, he has explained Vada Pragobaga Karana. What are the causative factors it will be creating Vada Pragoba? That is explained by Kumara Shira Bharadwaja. Then Kangayana, he has mentioned Vada Shamana Karana. Okay, what are the things we can use it for the reduction of the Vada dosha? That is explained by Kangayana. Then Bedisha, Amurta Vadake Shamana Va Kobanake Kriya Batai. So there will be Vada Shamana, Vada Kobana, all those things he has mentioned. Bedisha. Then Vayur Vida, Pragrita Vayu Karma and Bheda, the types of Vayu and the main functions of the Vayu, that is mentioned by Vayur Vida. Then Mariji, he has mentioned about Pitta Sambandhi, like the functions of the Pitta, types of Pitta, these are all mentioned by Mariji. And the last one is Kapya, he has mentioned Kapha Sambandhi Varnana. So he has mentioned about the types of kapha, the functions of the kapha, these are all mentioned by Kapya. So these are the things were dealt in the Vada Kala Kaliya Adhyaya. Okay, some chapters are dealing with the seminars. So in that so many rishi will be coming and they will be telling about the so many concepts. So in the Vada Kala Kaliya Adhyaya, 8 rishi was there. So they were explaining the functions and what are the causative factors for getting the Vada Dosha Pragoba, what are the things we can do for the Vada Shamana, and in Prakriti also there will be Vada functions will be there. These are all explained in the Vada Kala Kaliya Adhyaya, and it is explained by each Acharya. Okay, Vada functions, and then last one is Pitta Kapha Dosha, also explained by other Acharyas. Next, another one more chapter is Yajja Purishiya. Here also there has one seminar, seminar was conducting in Yajja Purisha Adhyaya. Here 9 rishis were there in the Yajja Purishiya Sambhasha. So in that Maudgalya Parikshi, so he has mentioned about Atmavada. Okay, about the Atma they were telling. Then Sharaloma he has mentioned Sattvavada. Sattva is the best thing, like that he has mentioned. Vayurvida Rasavada, Hiranyaksha Shaddaduvada, Kaushiga, or another name of Kaushiga is Shaunaga. So he has mentioned Madra Pidruvada. Then Bhadrakapya Karmavada, Bharadwaja Swabhavavada, Kangayana Prajapadivada, then Atraya Bhikshu Kalavada. Okay, so they were discussing related with the origin of the Purusha. Okay, so this discussion in Yajja Purisha Adhyaya, they were discussing related with how the Purusha is originated. Okay, Purusha and the disorder, how it is originated. So that is, and each Rishi were explaining due to Atma, that is told by Parikshi. Maudgalya Parikshi is telling due to Atma, this origin of Purusha and origin of disorders, these are all happening because of the Atma. Okay, Sharaloma is telling due to the Sattva or due to the Manas. Okay, Manas or Sattva, both are same only. Okay, due to the Sattva or due to the Manas, origin of Purusha is happening. Vayurvida is telling due to Rasa. Hiranyaksha is telling due to the Shaddadu. Okay, Shaddadu means Panchamaha Bodha plus Chedana. Okay, Shaddadu here he has mentioned is Panchamaha Bodha plus Chedana. Then Kaushiga is telling Madru and Pidru. Okay, due to the Mada and Pida, this Purusha is originating, or the disease is originating. Okay, Bhadrakapi is telling Karma. Okay, due to the Karma Phala, this origin of Purusha, origin of disorders are happening. Bharadwaja is telling Swabhava, due to the Swabhava, character. Kangayana Prajapati. Then Atraya Bhikshu is telling due to the Kala, this is the reason for the origin of Purusha. Like that one conversation has dealt in the Yajja Purushiya Adhyaya. Next, in the next chapter, these are all in the Charaka Sutra Sthana. Next, in Charaka Sutra Sthana, next one chapter is Atraya Bhadrakapiya Adhyaya. Okay, so in there also there is a conversation is dealing related with the rasa. Okay, there also one related with the rasa, there one conversation is happening in Atraya Bhadrakapiya Adhyaya. So here 10 rishis were conducting in this seminar. So in Bhadrakapiya, okay, he has mentioned there is only one rasa. Okay, so there is only one rasa and that can be assessed by the jihva. Okay, the rasa that is only one that can be assessed by the jihva, that is only jala. Okay, according to Bhadrakapiya, they were discussing related with the number of rasa. So Bhadrakapiya is telling only one rasa is there that we can assess by the jihva, that is jala only. Okay, Shagundeya Brahmana, he has mentioned 2 type of rasas are there. Okay, number of rasa in the 2 he has mentioned. Which are the rasa? Chedaniya and Upashamaniya. Then Maudgalya Purnaksha, he has mentioned 3 rasas are there: Chedaniya, Upashamaniya, Sadharana rasa. Then Hiranyaksha, he has mentioned 4 rasa: Swadu, Hidagara, Swadu, Ahidagara. Okay, Swadu, Hidagara, Swadu, Ahidagara, Aswadu, Hidagara, Aswadu, Ahidagara. Okay, these are the 4 rasa which is mentioned by Hiranyaksha. Swadu, Hidagara, Swadu, Ahidagara, Aswadu, Hidagara, Aswadu, Ahidagara. Okay, then Kumar Shira Bharadwaja 5 rasa he has mentioned, that is Panchamahabodha. Based on the Panchamahabodha, he has mentioned the 5 rasa. Vayurvida, he has mentioned 6 rasa. Which are the 6 rasa? Guru, Lakhu, Shida, Ushna, Snigdha, Ruksha. These are the 6 rasa which is mentioned by Vayurvida. Then Nimi has mentioned 7 rasa, that is Madhura, Amla, Lavana, Kadu, Tikta, Kashaya, and additionally Kshara will be coming. So these are the 7 rasa which is told by Nimi. Then Damargava, he has mentioned 8. Madhura, Amla, Lavana, Kadu, Tikta, Kashaya, Kshara, Avyakta. Okay, then Kangayana has mentioned Asankhya, like innumerable is there. Okay, that is told by Kangayana. And the last Atraya is telling there is only 6 rasas are there. Okay, Madhura, Amla, Lavana, Kadu, Tikta, Kashaya. So these are the 6 rasas which is present in the world. Okay. Okay, these are the number of rasa according to each Acharya. So this is mentioned under Atraya Bhadrakapiya Adhyaya. Okay, next thing is combination of rasas they have mentioned. Okay, each rasa that is 6 in number: Madhura rasa, Amla rasa, Kadu rasa, okay, Lavana, Tikta, Kashaya. Like that 6 rasas are coming. Okay, so one rasa is, with that combination only 6 will be coming, right? One rasa bheda is 6. Then 2 rasa samyoga, which means Madhura Amla, Kadu Tikta. Okay, like that combination of 2 rasas if you are combining together. So how many combinations you will be getting? 15 combinations you will be getting. Okay, 2 rasa combinations will be coming, 15. Then 3 rasa combination, which means Madhura Amla Lavana, Kadu Tikta Kashaya, Madhura Tikta Kashaya, Amla Lavana Kashaya. Like that if you are making the 3 rasa combination, that around 20 combinations you will be getting. Okay, then 4 rasa samyoga, Madhura Amla Lavana Kadu, then Amla Lavana Kadu Tikta, then Lavana Kadu Tikta Kashaya Madhura. Like that if you make 4 rasa, with that if you are making combinations, so how many combinations you will be getting? 15 combinations you will be getting. Okay, then 5 rasa samyoga, that will be coming around 6 combinations you will be: Madhura Amla Lavana Kadu Tikta, okay, Kashaya, sorry, Madhura Amla Lavana Kadu Tikta. So now it is 5. So this is one combination. Then again Amla Lavana Kadu Tikta Kashaya, that is second combination. Like that if you are making 5 rasa combination, that is around 6 combinations you will be getting. Okay, then 6 rasa samyoga, the full rasas if you are combining together, that is only one combination. Okay, so like the making the different combinations, so total how many rasa samyoga you will be getting? 63. Okay. So total rasa bheda will be 63. Rasa bheda, rasa kalpana is 63. If you make the permutation and combinations of all the rasas, then how much combinations you will be getting? Total 63 rasa kalpana, 63 rasa bheda will be getting. Okay, 1 rasa, that is 6 in number. 2 rasa combination, 15 combinations you will be getting. 3 rasa combinations are 20. Then 4 rasa combinations are 15. 5 rasa combination are 6, and 6 rasa combination will be 1 in number. So like the total 63 rasa bheda will be getting. Okay, in this 63 rasa bheda, how many combinations are coming? 57. Because if this one rasa, no, that is not a combination, that is a single rasa, right? One rasa means here only single rasa, there is no combination. Madhura rasa, amla rasa, lavana rasa, katu rasa, tikta rasa, kashaya rasa, like that separately if you are taking, that is 6 in number will be getting. Here there is no combination. So rasa samyoga means combination of rasa. Okay, that is totally how much you are getting? 57. Okay, total rasa bheda or kalpana is 63. In that, how many combination of rasas you can see? 57 rasa samyoga you can see. Okay, because this you can get in question we used to get. Okay, rasa samyoga or rasa bheda, numbers they used to ask. Rasa samyoga is combination of rasa. How many combinations are coming? 57. Total rasa kalpana 63 will be coming. Okay, all the combination plus single rasa. Okay, like 6 rasas will be coming. So, ega rasa, that is 6 in 6 will be coming. So that is total 63 rasa bheda will be getting. Okay, then again there will be one more seminar has been conducted, that is mentioned under Phalamatra Siddhi. Okay, so here in Phalamatra Siddhi Adhyaya, in that there is a seminar was conducting related with which drug is Shrestha for Virejana. Okay, which drug is Shrestha for Virejana. So that Phalamatra Siddhi, it is written by Dridabala. Okay, Dridabala Varnida Sambhasha Parishad. So in Phalamatra Siddhi, they were discussing related with the Virejana. So in that, Dridabala has mentioned that they have he has written that there is one seminar was conducting. So the each Acharya was telling this drug is Shrestha for Virejana. Okay, so Shonaga is telling Jimudaga is Shrestha, Gautama is telling Damargava is Shrestha, Kapya is telling Krudavedana is the Shrestha, Vamaga is telling Ikshwagu, and Bedisha is telling Kudaja is the Shrestha for Virejana. Okay, so so these are the things which is mentioned under Phalamatra Siddhi. And then last he will be telling Trivrit is the Shrestha Dravya for Virejana. Okay, so these are the main things related with the Phalamatra Siddhi. Next one is Asavayoni. Okay, Asavayonis are 9 in number. Okay, which are the Asavayoni? Sharkara Asava. Okay, that is Sharkara Asava, that is 1. Then from the Sharkara you can create Asava, that is only 1 Asava you will be getting. Next one is Patra. Okay, Patra is a Yoni. Okay, so from Patra how many Asava you can get? 2 in number. Okay, 2 Asava you will be getting. From Kanda you can get 4 Asava. From Twak you can prepare 4 Asava. Then Dhanya, from Dhanya you can get 6 Asavas. Then Pushpa, that is 10 Asava will be getting. Then Moola 11, Sara 20, then Phala 26. Okay, so total number of Asava is 84. Asava Yoni is 9 in number. Okay, total Asava is 84. Asava Yoni is 9. Which are the Asava Yoni? Sharkara, Patra, Kanda, Twak, Dhanya, Pushpa, Moola, Sara, Phala. These are the Asava Yoni. And from this Asava Yoni, how many Asavas you can get? From Sharkara 1, from Patra 2, Kanda 4, Twak 4, Dhanya 6, Pushpa 10, Moola 11, Sara 20, Phala 26. So these are like that total 84 Asava you will be getting. Next one is Garbholpadaga Bhava. Okay, that is 6 in number. Okay, Garbholpadaka bhavas are 6 in number. Which are the Garbholpadaka bhava? Madraja bhava, Pidraja bhava, Atmaja, Sattvaja, Rasaja, Satmeja. So these are the 6 Garbholpadaka bhava. So in that, Madraja, Pidraja, Atmaja, Sattvaja, these are the Mukhya bhava, and Rasaja, Satmeja is Sahayaga bhava. Okay, important one is Madraja, Pidraja, Atmaja, Sattvaja, and the Sahayaga bhavas are Rasaja and Satmeja. Okay. So then you can see smriti. Okay, you are getting memory. Okay, that is coming from the Atmaja bhava and Sattvaja bhava. In both are there contributing the smriti in our body. Then Swara Varna, that is also contributing by Atmaja and Satmyaja bhava. These two are giving Swara Varna to our body. Okay, so total 6 bhavas are there. Each bhava they are contributing so many things in our body. Okay, so in that smriti is contributed by Atmaja and Sattvaja bhava. Swara Varna is contributed by Atmaja and Satmyaja bhava. Okay, then they have mentioned about Madraja bhavas are 20, Pitraja bhavas are 10, Atmaja bhavas are 22, according to Charaga 19, Sattvaja bhavas are 18, Rasaja bhavas are 5, Satmyaja bhavas are 8 in number. Okay, so just study 6 Garbholpadaka bhavas are there. Okay, Madraja, Pidrajas, Atmaja, Sattvaja, Rasaja, Satmyaja. So these are the 6 Garbholpadaka bhavas. Next one is Yendra Pragara, types of Yendra 6 in number. Yendra Gunas are 6, Yendra Dosha 12, Yendra Karya, which means Yendra Karma, that is 24. Okay, then Shastra Sankhya, total number of Shastra is 20. Okay, Shastra Guna is 6, Shastra Dosha is 8, Shastra Bheda is 8 also. Then according to Vakkhata, Shastra Sankhya is 26. Then Karna Sandhana Vidhi. Okay, this ear we will be doing surgery in the ear, no? So that is a total 15 type of surgery methods he has mentioned. Okay, then Karna Pali Ubadrava, that is 10 in number. Karna Pali Roga is 5 in number. Then Shalya, 2 types are there. Avabadda, Anavabadda, Shalya, like that we have studied, no? Shalya Gadi, 5 are there. Shalya Bheda, 2 are there. Then Shalya Nirharana Upaya, 15 are there. Okay, so these are all already we have seen. Next, then anatomy related things they have mentioned. Kandara. Okay, total number of Kandaras in our body is 16, 1-6. Okay, so in Hasta, Pada, Griva, Prishta, in all this area 4 Kandaras are there. So in the 4 limb togetherly 16 will be coming. Okay, so just study the total number. Okay, how it is how that numbers are distributing, it is not needed. So Kandara total 16 are there. Jala, that is also 16 are there. How it is in the body in Mamsa, Sira, Snayu, Asti. Okay, so like that 4 into 4 16 will be coming. Okay, 4 Jala is present in the Mamsa, 4 Jala is present in the Sira, 4 Jala is present in the Snayu, 4 Jala is present in the Asti. So total 4 into 4 16 will be coming. So total number of Jala 16. Okay, then Kurcha 6 are there. In Hasta and Pada 2 and 2, like Hasta 2, Pada 2. So 4 will be coming. Griva 1, Medra 1. So total 6 Kurcha will be coming. Okay, in Hasta 2 Kurcha is there, in Pada 2 Kurcha, in Griva 1 Kurcha, Medra 1 Kurcha, so total 6 Kurcha will be coming. Rejju 4 in number. Then Sevani 7 are there, in Shiras 5, in Jihua 1 and in Medra 1, so total 7 Sevani. Seemanda 14, according to Vakkhata 18 Seemanda is there. Then Sanghada 14, Hasta and Pada 3. So in Hasta 3, Pada 3, Gulfa 2, Janu 2, Vankshana 2, okay, then Trika 1, Shiras 1. So total 14 Sankhada will be coming. Okay, so the total number is very, very important. Kandara 16, Jala 16, Kurcha 6, Rejju 4, Sevani 7, Seemanda 14, Sankhada 14. So this total number is very, very important. Okay. Then Moola Sira, the Moola Siras are total 40 in number. So how it is distributed? Vadaja Sira, Pittaja Sira, Kafaja Sira, Rektaja Sira. So each one is 10 in number. So Vadaja Sira 10, Pittaja Sira 10, Kafaja Sira 10, Rektaja Sira 10. So total 40 Sira will be coming. Okay. So total number of sira is 700. So this 40 sira, then again it will be branching. Okay, then it will be turned into 700. So total 700 sira will be coming. Moola sira is 40 in number. Okay, starting time 40, then it will be branches and it will become total 700. Okay, so in Shaga 400 sira will be coming, in Koshta 136, and Grivase Upar from the neck, okay, head and neck area 164 will be coming. Okay, total number of sira 700. Okay, 175 in the each limb. Okay, each area 175, so into 4 quadrant like that. So that is not needed. So 700 total will be coming. In Shaga Pradesha 400 will be coming. In Koshta 136. In head and neck area 164. So among this 700 sira, 98 sira, that it is contraindicated for sira bheda. Okay, among the 700 sira, 98 siras are contraindicated. So in Shaga 16 siras are contraindicated. In Koshta 32. In head and neck area 50 siras are contraindicated for sira vyatha. Okay, so this is the 98 siras which is contraindicated for sira vyatha. Next one is Guda Parimana, like circumference of the Guda, anal region. So that is totally 4.5 angula. Okay, Ardha Panjangula, which means 4.5 angula. So Guda Vali Parimana, like circumference of the, in Guda there is 3 Gudavalis are there. Okay, each one will be having total the circumference of the Gudavali is 4 angula. Gajatalu Nipam. Okay. So 4 angula, it is Gajatalu Nipam, which are the Gudavalis, Pravahini, Visarjini, Samvarani. These are the 3 Gudavali. So each Gudavali will be having 1.5 angula. Okay, 1.5 angula. In that distance it is situated. Pravahini, Visarjini, Samvarani. Okay. गुद ओष्ठ से 1 अंगुला ऊपर एवं गुद ओष्ठ रोमवली से 1.5 यवा ऊपर प्रथम वली की स्थिति मानी गई है. So from गुद ओष्ठ 1 अंगुला above. Okay, 1 अंगुला above गुद ओष्ठ. Okay, then 1.5 यवा above गुद ओष्ठ रोमवली. Okay, 1 अंगुला above गुद ओष्ठ. Okay, 1.5 yava above Guda Oshta Romavali, the first Gudavali is situated. Okay, the position they are telling, that is not important, just study which are the Gudavalis, Pravahini, Visarjini, Samvarani, and the total length of the Guda is 4.5 angula. These are the important points. And the circumference of the Gudavali is Chadurangula Ayudam, 4 angula. Then next they are dealing related with the Sadhya Sadhyata. Like a 1 year old Galaganda, Shlipada, these are all Asadhya. Okay, so Galaganda, if a patient is suffering since 1 year, then it is Asadhya. Shlipada, if a person is suffering with 1 year, then it is Asadhya. 1 year old Arsha is Krichra Sadhya. Okay, 3 year old Ardida is Asadhya. Since 3 years patient is suffering from Ardida, then it is Asadhya. 1 year old Vadarekta Yapya. Then 13 year old Unmada is Asadhya. Since 13 years, if a patient is suffering with Unmada, then it is Asadhya. Then related with the Rohini, they are telling. Okay, so Rohini, if it is a Tridoshaja, then it is Sadhya Maraka, which means immediately the patient death will be happening. Okay, then if it is a Pittaja, Pitta Pradhana Rohini, then within 5 days patient will die. If it is a Kapha Pradhana condition, within 3 days patient will be die. In Vadaja condition, within 7 days. Okay, so Rohini, based on the dosha, they are telling the Sadhya Sadhyata. If it is a Sannipadaja, immediately death will be happening. If it is a Pittaja, within 5 days. If it is Kaphaja, 3 days. If it is Vadaja, 7 days. This is the duration for the death. Then Adimanda. Okay, if it is a Kapha Pradhana, within 7 days. If it is a Vada Pradhana, it is ratri here, okay, night, okay. So if it is a kapha pradhana adimanda, within 7 night patient will die. If it is a vada pradhana adimanda, 6 night they are telling. If it is a rektaja, 5 nights. If it is a pittaja, immediate death will be happening. Okay, so this is the how the death will be happening in the adimanda based on the dosha. Next one is Stavara Visha they are telling. Okay, Stavara Visha. So Moola Vishas are 8 in number. Okay, from the Moola we can get 8 Vishas. So that is 8 in number. Patra Vishas are 5. Phala Vishas are 12. Tvaksara Vishas are 7. Kshira Visha 3. Dadu Visha 2. Kanda Visha 13. So total 55 Stavara Vishas are there. Then Madhya ki Prashasta Matra. So how you can take the Madhya? Pradaha, in the morning time 2 pala, Madhyana 4 pala, Ratri 8 pala. So this is the dosage of taking Madhya in the times, each time. Then Vrana Gandha Dosha Bheda. Okay, if it is Kadu Gandha, Vadaja, Vada dosha is predominant. If it is a Tikshna Gandha, Pitta dosha predominant. If it is a Visra Gandha, Kapha dosha predominant. See, Loha, then it is Rektaja. So this Gandha and the dosha predominance is very important. Okay, Laja Sadrisha Vada Pitta, Atasi Sadrisha Vada Kapha, Taila Sadrisha Pitta Kapha. Okay, these are the Gandha and these are the dosha predominance. Then Karna Paligada Roga and their doshas. Paripota, that is Vadika, Ulpada, Pitta Rekta, Unmanda, Vada Pitta, then Dukkha Vardhana, Tridosha Visheshan, Parilehi, Kapha Rekta, Krimi is getting vitiating. Okay, so Karna Paligada Rogas are the disorder which is affecting in the earlobe, that is Paripota, Ulpada, Unmanda, Dukkha Vardhana, Parilehi. If it is a Vada Pradhana condition, Paripota, Pitta Rekta, Ulpada, Vada Pitta, Unmanda, Tridosha Vishejan, Dukkha Vardhana, Kapha Rekta Krimi is there, then it is Parilehi. Okay, so we can discuss the rest of the things in the next class.